Hey guys, how's it going? Just outside with the dogs here. We got a blizzard last night. We got about 22 inches of snow here, and like as you can see, my legs are almost up to like midway to my calf, just covered by this deep snow. I'll try to go somewhere here where it's like right here, this spot, if nobody walks in it. So like, see how deep that is? And that's just to the next layer of snow underneath there. Got about another foot underneath that. So my 6-foot fence is essentially turned into a like 4.5 foot fence. Because like here, this is eye level for me, and I have to drop it down a bit. But anyway, I wanted to make this video quick because Scarlett, come here. Somebody had a birthday yesterday. Somebody had a birthday, and her name was Scarlett. So if we can all say happy birthday to Scarlett. She turned 3 yesterday. Big old grandma. And she's just out enjoying this pile of snow. Look at you, gosh. You got a little boo-boo on your face too, and that's okay. Sometimes you guys fight over food, but you're all okay. Yeah. Huh. No, hold on, you don't need to be up. Stop. It's hard to walk in, I won't lie to you. But the dog will get a good workout getting through this. Stop. Stop. Thanks, Lucian. Who's that? Who's that? Ruka? I can't whistle. Scarlett, She's going to pick on her. Ruka! Ruka! Who's my Ruka? Come here. Come here, Ruka. Lucian, Ruka, come here. Little shy girl. Come here. Come here, babies. Come here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. She's been loving this too, huh? Yes, we have. Oh. Yeah, she's been loving this too. Oh, yeah, she's just been plopping down right in a big old pile of it. See how deep this is? Use my knee. I have to go to work here too. But yeah, I just want to make a quick video for you guys. I'll do another hike this weekend, I think, with well, video hike with I think in Scarlett and Lucian, and then I'll see if I can get Ruka and him out the same day. It's kind of a drive away, so it's a little hard to get there several times a day. I said in the other video it's about 20-minute drive, so you go there for drive 20 minutes there, walk for an hour and a half, 20 minutes back, you know, so on and so forth. That's a lot of time in a day, so I usually try to take them just around here on their walks. most of the time. This big old thing, not you, this has some deer in it. Scarlett, come here. Scarlett, come here. Say goodbye to your followers. Yeah, she got a little limp. She's got a little boo-boo. That's okay though. She's healing up. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Aren't you just adorable? She got a big old piece of lamb leg yesterday with some bacon. That was her birthday present. She really enjoyed that. And then I got Lucian's birthday coming up. I got him and his sister's birthday coming up. And then we got Ruka's coming up. And I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for all them. But anyway, take care, guys. Again, wish Scarlett a happy birthday here. Say goodbye to the rest of the doggies while they enjoy this heavy downfall of snow. And I'll see you guys on the next one.